Welcome to the next-gen Auto Hub. The Toyota Supra 4th generation, known as the A80 and produced from 1993 to 2002, stands as one of the most influential performance cars ever created. Born during a time when Japanese manufacturers were pushing engineering boundaries, the A80 Supra was designed to compete with the world's best sports cars while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. It was not built to follow trends, but to challenge perceptions, proving that a Japanese sports car could deliver supercar-level performance, everyday usability, and unmatched tuning potential. Over time, the A80 Supra evolved from a high-performance grand tourer into a global icon, cementing its place in automotive history. From the moment it debuted, the A80 Supra made a powerful visual statement. Toyota abandoned the sharp, angular lines of its predecessor in favor of smooth, flowing curves shaped by aerodynamics. Every surface served a purpose, from the rounded front bumper to the sculpted side panels and integrated rear wing. The low nose and wide stance gave the Supra a planted, aggressive appearance, while the teardrop shape reduced drag and improved high-speed stability. Unlike many sports cars of the era, the Supra's design balanced beauty and function, making it both visually striking and aerodynamically efficient. The front of the A80 featured sleek, elongated headlights and a low, wide grille that emphasized its performance intent. Large air intakes fed the engine and cooling systems, hinting at the power beneath the hood. Along the sides, pronounced rear fenders housed wide tires, reinforcing the Supra's muscular posture. At the rear, the iconic integrated spoiler and rounded taillights created a signature look that became instantly recognizable. Even decades later, the A80's design remains timeless, often cited as one of the most successful sports car shapes ever produced. Inside, the Supra's cockpit was engineered with the driver as the focal point. Toyota designed the dashboard to wrap around the driver, creating a sense of immersion and control. The center console angled toward the driver, placing controls within easy reach. Large, clear gauges provided vital information at a glance, while auxiliary displays offered insight into turbo boost and engine performance. Materials were durable yet refined, blending sportiness with long-distance comfort. This was an interior built not only for spirited driving, but also for everyday use. The seats in the A80 Supra were supportive and well-bolstered, designed to hold occupants securely during aggressive cornering. Despite its performance focus, the cabin remained practical, offering ample legroom and storage for a sports car. The hatchback design added versatility, allowing the Supra to carry luggage or gear with ease. This balance between performance and practicality made the A80 appealing to a wide range of drivers, from weekend racers to daily commuters who wanted something special. Under the hood lay the heart of the legend, the 2JZ engine family. The naturally aspirated 2JZ-G offered smooth, reliable power, but it was the 2JZ GT twin-turbocharged inline-six that transformed the Supra into an icon. Producing up to 320 horsepower in global markets, the engine delivered strong acceleration and exceptional durability. The sequential twin-turbo system provided low-end response and high-end power, creating a thrilling yet controllable driving experience. Built with forged internals and over-engineered components, the 2JZ GT became famous for its ability to handle massive power increases, earning legendary status among tuners worldwide. Power was delivered through either a robust automatic transmission or the highly sought-after 6-speed manual gearbox, which gave drivers complete control over the Supra's performance. Rear-wheel drive ensured pure driving dynamics, allowing skilled drivers to exploit the car's balance and power. The Supra's drivetrain was engineered to handle stress, contributing to its reputation as one of the most durable high-performance platforms ever created. On the road, the A80 Supra delivered a driving experience that combined speed, stability, and confidence. Its suspension was tuned to provide precise handling without sacrificing ride comfort. At high speeds, the Supra felt planted and composed, inspiring trust even under aggressive driving. Steering was direct and communicative, allowing drivers to feel connected to the road. Braking performance was equally impressive, with large disc brakes providing strong stopping power. Whether on winding roads or open highways, the Supra delivered a sense of control that few competitors could match. Beyond its engineering excellence, the A80 Supra achieved cultural immortality. It became a star of motorsports, dominating in drag racing and earning respect in circuit competition. Its presence in video games, films, and popular media elevated it to legendary status, particularly among younger generations. The Supra became a symbol of tuning culture, representing creativity, individuality, and the pursuit of speed. Its ability to be modified endlessly without sacrificing reliability made it a hero of the performance community. Production of the A80 Supra ended in 2002, driven by changing regulations and market demands. Yet its influence only grew stronger after it left showrooms. Values climbed, demand surged, and the Supra's reputation evolved from admired sports car to revered legend. Enthusiasts around the world sought clean examples, recognizing the A80 as a once-in-a-generation achievement. The Toyota Supra A80 stands today as a benchmark for performance engineering and design. It represents an era when manufacturers pushed limits and built cars with mechanical honesty and over-engineered strength. The Supra's legacy is defined not only by speed, but by its enduring impact on automotive culture. In the end, the A80 Supra is more than a car. It is a symbol of what happens when innovation, passion, and precision come together. It continues to inspire drivers, builders, and dreamers, proving that true legends never fade. They evolve, gaining meaning with every generation that rediscovers their brilliance. Even today, the A80 Supra remains a benchmark against which modern performance cars are measured. Its influence can be seen in contemporary engineering philosophies that prioritize balance, durability, and driver engagement. Enthusiasts continue to celebrate its purity in an age dominated by electronics and automation. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our channel grow. See you in the next video.